Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. In today's lecture, we will see how we can create a simple Node package and use it in other Node.js applications. This is simple hands-on to experiment how to create and publish. The prerequisite for this hands-on demo is you need to have the Node.js installed. So ensure you have latest version of Node installed in your workstation. So let's get started. Okay, now let's prepare our project to hold the package code. So from my PC, I have selected a location where I am going to create a new folder. This folder is we can call like Studio Jokes. Okay, Studio Jokes. Inside the Studio Jokes, we can initialize the Node package manager, which is npm init -y. Just hit enter. So this will add package.json. Yes. Now let's open this project by entering. Let us open it from the code VS Code. So code dot hit enter. So this will get opened in the VS Code. Okay. So this has opened in the VS Code. Now close the welcome page and hit select the terminal. Okay. And keep the terminal here and open the package.json and let's add one thing, which is type. Type. We have to select module because this is module based package. It's not common JS. Okay, so type is module inside the project directory, and we create a new file which will hold our jokes. So jokes.json. Okay, hit enter. I have the jokes ready. I'm going to pass the jokes, paste the jokes object array, which has each object contain two property like a category and joke. The idea is like we will pass the category, then it will return the joke. Okay. Now let me add one more file which will hold the business logic index.js, the main file index.js. Inside the index.js, let me copy some code, which is nothing but we are importing the promise. Okay. To there is a property read file. Okay. So we will read the jokes.json file. Okay, in asynchronous way, and then we'll keep it in this variable jokes. Okay, and this is exporting a function which is get random joke, which will accept the category and filter based on the category. If there is no if the length is 0, then it will return this kind of text, no jokes found this for a category something, and it will generate the random. It will give the random number and it will return the joke. Okay, and this will get exported like get random joke. Okay, and we'll create one more file to test this package. We'll call like test.js. Inside the test.js, let me copy this one. Here I'm referring that index.js file, and I'm trying to console.log, calling this function like dad joke. Dad joke is a category. If you see the dad joke, this one will get printed. Okay. Now let me run this code. I need to run test.js. So to run, I'm just typing node test.js. And then I get the random joke. I have afraid of the this joke exactly. This joke gets printed. Okay. Now the package is ready. Now we have to push it to the repository. Okay, npm repository. So how to do that? First, we have to log in to the npm. So let me log into the npm login. Type enter, and it will request please enter to open the browser. Hit enter so that the browser will start, and it will request one time password. Okay, so this one time password has been sent to my email address. So let me copy. So let me copy my one time password, which is this one, and come back here and paste the one-time password and log in. Then I get the message authentication successful. I can go to the home page, which is here. Here I can see the message logged in with my repo. Okay. Now I can push this package to my repository. So it is very simple. npm publish dash dash access public. So this will be public, so anyone can access this package. Okay, hit enter. So this is preparing publishing and already published to Studio Jokes. This is the name of the package. Okay. Now let's create another application and try to import this package and see how it's working there. Now come back to the folder. Let's create another folder. So let's create a folder mkdir joke app. Okay, for example, cd joke app npm init minus y. Let's create an node package. Then type code dot so that this will get opened in the VS Code. So close welcome screen and open it. We got the package.json. Let's create index.js file here. Yes, I got the index.js. Now I need to install the package. Okay, so this is the package Studio Joke. So it is very simple and we can simply run npm install dash dash save so that this will get added to the package.json. See, this package has been added. If you go to the package.json, this dependency has been added. Okay, go to the index.js, then we'll paste some code so that we can test. So the package has been added. Now we can import directly. Import get random joke from the Studio Jokes. Now we can consume this thing. So let's console.log and let's call this method. Okay, this is the function that has been exported. Let's call. Let's see what is coming here if we don't pass any category. So let's start node index.js. So this is complaining this one passes common JS because this is email. They are getting some issue. Okay, now let's type thing is module. Okay, save clear node index.js. Now we get the random message. Okay, so it's working perfectly. Okay, so this is how we create node package and we can publish it to the repository and then we can consume it in other applications. Thanks for watching. Thank you.